Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I know you're not looking at my face, but for this video we are doing a kids hairstyle tutorial. So if it's your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay, have your bell notification on and all that good stuff. But without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the tutorial.
Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel.
Alright, so I'm starting out on hair that is freshly washed and moisturized, all that good stuff, and the shrinkage is real, okay? But anyway, so I'm gonna be using water first just to freshen up the hair, you know, give it some more moisture so it can be easy for me to work on. All right, and then I'm gonna be using this I think it's an age brush for your ages and stuff, but I don't like using an rattle comb on her because she hates it. Okay, so I just use this and it works better, you know. Whatever works best for us, that's what we go with. Okay, so I'm just sectioning the hair. I'm gonna leave the one in front out, and then I'm gonna start with the back. Okay, so all the lines that I'm doing, I'm using the age brush to do them. Okay, anyway, so we're just gonna start with the back like I say. So I'm using this shining jam that I used for the first time. I was actually gonna use it for my hair because I'm just trying to find the right jam or styling jam for my hair. So yeah, but went ahead and used it on my daughter. This is the one by I forgot. Okay, but it'll be in the description box. It's the red jar, okay? That's the one that I'm going to be using. And I like it for her hair. It worked really well. All the other jams work really well for her. So I don't know, it's just maybe her hair. But yeah, so I'm going to be using rubber bands to section her hair so I can do the twists, okay? So usually I would do the rubber band and twist the hair, but this particular time I decided I was just gonna do rubber bands and then twist the hair. Okay, so I went ahead and did the rubber bands the first two lines and twisted the hair, and then did rubber bands in the next, you know, line and did the twist. So all right, so using the jam itself, I'm gonna twist her hair. I didn't use any other product apart from that. I was gonna use a twisting butter or something like that, but I just changed my mind. So that's what I'm using to twist her hair as well. And this is how her hair looks like after twisting it, and I like how it looks. I love how shiny it is, neat, and the twists are looking really nice. Okay, so I was like, okay, we're just gonna go ahead and use the shining jam. Okay, so this is the next line. I'm gonna go ahead and twist that and do the next as well and twist it, okay, just like so, and they're coming out really nice. Okay, so on this part I'm going to show you again what I'm doing, just using a rubber band, okay? And if you have issues with rubber band, you have to make sure that you soak them in oil, that way it doesn't pop. But I've never had that problem at all. They work pretty fine. I've been using her rubber bands since I started doing her hair, so it works pretty fine for me, okay? You just have to make sure that the other hair does not get snagged into the other hair, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is how it's looking, and I'll do that on the other side as well. Then we're gonna go ahead and twist them. And when I'm doing my daughter's hair, I usually just make sure I have her entertained. So it's either she's watching TV or she has her tablet or whatever it is, just to keep her entertained. That way she doesn't complain, because she's really, really tender-headed, okay? So I always also make sure that I do hairstyles that are really, really gentle. So the rubber bands are not tight at all. I make sure they are not tight. That's why you need to make sure that you have a really good jam, that way it gives it a nice shine, and you're not trying to make it too tight, that way it's looking neat, you know what I mean? So yeah. And another thing is, I always make sure that I make her choose the hairstyle she wants. So she chose this, and she's always excited to see how it comes out. So this is how the twists are looking in the back, okay? Look at that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the front. I was actually gonna do something a little different in front, but she didn't let me, okay? She was like, no, I just wanna do this and call it a day, okay? So, which is cool. I don't like to force her. So this is what we got going on. I used the same shining jam throughout. I didn't use anything else. I was actually gonna use Eco Style in the front, but I changed my mind. So I'm just gonna use that and brush the hair, make sure it's nice and neat, okay? Then I'm gonna use a ponytail holder to do the front. Again, make sure it's not too tight, okay? That's very, very important. You don't wanna give her a headache or make her uncomfortable, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do that on the other side, and then I'm just gonna twist the hair and form a Bantu knot. And to secure the Bantu knot, I'm just going to use a rubber band. I think I'll show you guys in the next clip or so. I'm just going to use a rubber band to secure the Bantu knot. All right, so I'm gonna, accessorize the hair, because it's not done if it's not accessorized, okay? The girl ain't gonna be having that. That's the whole fun part of doing her hair here. So I'm gonna be using this little thingy, I don't know what it's called, to install the beads in her hair. And yeah, I'm just putting them in there. At first, I actually had a hard time doing it. I was like, I forgot how this thing works. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna see me struggling a little bit there, but I figured it out. And I think because the holes of the beads were really tight, so it was kind of hard for me to kind of like insert them in there, but it worked out pretty fine. Okay, and to secure those beads so they don't fall out, I'm using a rubber band at the end, Oh my gosh, this is literally my least favorite part of doing this. I really don't like doing it, and I don't like taking them out. It's the worst. It just makes taking out it just makes taking out the beads a long process. All right, and finish up the look, I'm gonna put some more accessories in front. I don't know what these are called or what you call these, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And that is the finished look. We're done. Okay, and she was so happy that we are finally done. Okay, and I love the hairstyle. I love how the beads make the hairstyle look really nice, and the twists are really nice and juicy, and you know, we love it. Look at her. She was just so happy with the hairstyle, and she looked in the mirror and she loved it. And yeah, so that's what matters, right? Yep. So this is it for this video, guys. Please make sure you comment below, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.
I'll see you next day, me and my mom video.